Great seeing you here again. This is our first learning lesson in chapter 14 or lesson series 14 related to cost and budgeting. This is the 14th lesson in our course Masterclass in Project Management. In this video, I will talk about the importance of cost and budgeting. We must determine the cost of the project and also determine the budget that we will need to create the deliverables. First of all, what is the essence of cost management? We look at the project cost and the business case. We look at project cost over time and budget control. So let's have a look at the essence of cost management. Project cost is one of the major questions we must answer. The final cost of the project will be compared with the business case. And to determine the project budget, we will estimate the cost of each work package and activity. When we look at the project cost and the business case, the cost evaluation was one of the main selection criteria of the project. Based on the total cost, we determined the values for the financial parameters, payback time, net present value, and the internal rate of return, or you may have used different parameters anyway. It depends on the organization you are working in. The PBT, the NPV, and the ERR were part of what we call the return on investment policy for the project, and you can have a different policy. When we see that the budget increases, we may conclude that there will be a negative effect on these three parameters, and they may not be acceptable anymore. In the worst case, we may have to cancel the project. We will just say our project is not able to make a profit. At the end of the planning step, we can see that, but also during project execution, we will have to evaluate how is the cost performance of the project going. When we look at the project cost over time and budget control, once we have determined the project schedule baseline, so we have all the activities in what we call the planned start position, we can allocate the costs to each activity. Based on the information in the Gantt or bar chart, we can calculate the cost for each period, which is what we call the time-phased budget, and the cumulative budget. The cumulative budget will be used for budget control and earned value management. So that's it, the first introduction into the importance of cost and budgets. That's it for this video. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next videos. Bye bye.